Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Riskified Fraud Prevention Review My Usage Experience. Riskified Fraud Prevention Review My Usage Experience offers a fraud prevention service for e-commerce businesses. It aims to help online retailers reduce chargebacks and protect against fraudulent transactions. Key features likely include order screening, automated risk assessment, and potentially chargeback protection. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Their website highlights the benefits of reduced chargeback costs and increased revenue through the prevention of fraudulent orders. They emphasize a user-friendly interface and claim high accuracy in identifying fraudulent transactions. Pricing is likely subscription-based, although specific details would need to be checked on their site. They don't advertise any contracts. The technology likely uses machine learning to analyze transaction data and identify suspicious patterns. Availability is likely for businesses of all sizes, though detailed eligibility may need to be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Riskified Fraud Prevention Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the integration with my Shopify store was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented with clear instructions, and I was able to get everything up and running within an hour. The dashboard itself is intuitive and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the clear visualization of my order risk scores, allowing me to quickly identify potentially fraudulent transactions. The system flagged several suspicious orders that I might have otherwise missed, and the detailed reports provided valuable insights into the types of fraud attempts I was facing. I was impressed by the speed. The risk assessment happened almost instantly for each order. The quality of results was excellent, and the system accurately identified most fraudulent orders. I had a quick question about customizing the risk thresholds, and their support responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve for some of the advanced analytics features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Riskified. It's given me peace of mind knowing that my business is better protected against fraud, and the reduction in chargebacks has already been noticeable. That's my overview of Riskified Fraud Prevention Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.